my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting the Zoom logo. These are the colors that you'll be needing: blue, navy, white, a pencil, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, subscribe on YouTube and share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag fingerpaintingstar for your chance to shine as our artist of the week. Let's begin. Okay, we like to think of the Zoom logo as all one color, but it's actually got a little bit of a shade. So I'm gonna go in with our navy blue, and I'm gonna start the bottom of a circle. Have you ever tried to paint or draw a perfect circle? It's quite difficult to do. It is very not so easy. Now, there are different ways to do this properly, like using a protractor, but I'm just gonna make an imperfect circle using my navy, and then I'm gonna go in with my light blue, and I'm gonna make this big. I'm gonna just, I'm gonna keep going bigger and bigger until it fills most of my paper, maybe. I'm gonna just kind of feel it out. Yeah, like so. Like so. We're gonna get most, like that. Oh, I like that one. Just try to draw a continuous. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna fill this in a bit. And I'm just using this navy blue kind of as a shade, a shadow on the bottom, because that's really just gonna make this look like it has some extra special thing going on, kind of like the app has. I mean, goodness gracious, I didn't even really know about this app too much before all of this stuff hit and everybody got stuck inside. But now, oh man, I talked to so many friends and I've used it for so many wonderful things like business interviews, and I know a lot of people have used it for school and for other chatting and conferencing. Okay, so there we go. We've got our circle that kind of has a little bit more of a three-dimensionality look to it. And now we're gonna do the actual Zoom little camera in the middle. And this is where we're gonna need our pencil. I'm gonna actually take 2 dots, and I'm gonna make a long dot here. And I'm gonna go back into my white, and I'm gonna make like a bigger rectangle here. I'm not trying to make it perfect because I'm gonna actually use my pencil to help me with some of this detailing. So this is the beginning of our Zoom logo. So I'm gonna take my pencil actually, and dipping into the white paint, I'm just gonna fix up the edges. So this is kind of like a squash triangle. That's how I like to think of it, with a little bit of a rounded point. So we're just gonna take our pencil and kind of use that to help us get that squashed triangle look. All right, help us with the edge. There we go. And we're gonna do this side, so carry this straight down, make that line a little bit straighter, and make sure that's kind of rounded right there, like so. Okay, now we gotta do the other side. So the other side, we're gonna just make sure this is flat on top. And right here, so we're gonna start off with kind of like a box, but this is gonna be rounded on this side. It's rounded. And it's rounded here as well. So that is easy to do with my fingers. I can do that quite easily, but I'm gonna kind of make this part a little bit rounded too. So it's like a big box. But then I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna make this a little bit pointy, because the Zoom logo has a point right here, and it's got a point right there. Okay, like so. Just gonna finish off, just make sure that it's a little even. And there you go. Ta-da! There you have it. There is my Zoom logo. What do you guys think? Are you using Zoom? I really enjoyed painting with you today, and until next time, my finger painting stars, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll send you much love. Bye!